how we will be able to upload our assignment. Before also I told you that what is assignment. Assignment is if our teacher will give us some work to do, that we have to do first in our copy, then we have to take the picture, then we have to make it PDF, or we can send the direct picture also. So we have to send our work to our teacher, so that is called the assignment. So if you want to upload your assignment in LMS, what you have to do? See, I have a assignment list that is given by my teacher. Students are requested to do the assignment and submit within 8th May. Okay, so I told you before, if my teacher will give any assignment, under that one upload button will be there. You people are quite habituated with Google Classroom. You have uploaded so many things. So upload button. So what I have to do now? I have to click on the upload button to upload my work. Okay. So if you will click the upload button, you can see one window will be look like this. So where you can see the detail of the things, that is subject is information technology, topic is DBMS, subtopic is practice paper. When my teacher have posted this assignment on 26th, what is the last submission of the assignment? That is 8/5/2021. One more thing you have to remember, that last submission date is 8th. So if you think that you will upload your assignment on 9th May, so you will be not able to do that. So whatever the last submission date will be there, you have to work on that. Means on 8th or before 8th, within those days you have to upload your assignment. Remember this thing. Now they can show that status is pending, means you have still not uploaded anything. Okay, you have not sent your work to your teacher, that's why the status is pending. Okay, now how you can upload that? See, if you want to see the assignment, that is also available here. If you will click that, the assignment will be open. See, this is my assignment my teacher has given me to do. Okay, so if I will go back, now this is the area where I will upload my work. See, upload now. See, in the red ink it is written upload only PDF or JPG or PNG or MP4 file with maximum 20 MB size. Remember this thing, whatever file you will upload, that size should not be more than 20 MB. It will be less than 20 MB. Now what type of files you can upload? First of all, you can upload PDF, you can upload any picture, that like JPG and PNG, and you can upload MP4 file also, video file. But you have to remember the size will be within 20 MB. Now the question is, sometimes if you want to upload any Excel file or any Word file or any PPT file, so you can do that. How? First of all, you have to convert those file into PDF. Like if you want to upload any MS Word file, first you have to convert that MS Word file into PDF by using any kind of converter, then you can upload that PDF. Suppose if you want to upload any Excel file, what you have to do? You have to convert that file to PDF, mean Excel to PDF. Then you can upload that converted PDF file. If you want to upload any PowerPoint document, PPT, so what you have to do? First of all, you have to convert that PDF to PDF, PPT to PDF converter. So you can upload that converted PDF to LMS. So this type of things we can upload in LMS. Now we can see one area is there, about file. So whatever file you want to add, you have to give the name. Here is, you have to remember that suppose you are uploading multiple PDF, or you have taken 10 pages picture, okay, so page 1, page 2, page 3, like that. So in this area you have to give a short name, okay, don't use any space, don't use any special character, okay. So suppose I am writing pg1, this is my page 1, okay. Now I have to choose file. Choose file means in my phone location or my laptop location, suppose my PDF is there which I will upload. So by clicking on this, I can select my PDF. So let me click that. Choose file. Whenever you will click choose file, the system will show you the internal storage. So I am clicking the internal storage of file, that is my phone storage. Now suppose I am clicking on the downloads. It is showing all the PDF downloaded in my phone memory. So suppose this is the PDF I want to upload for my teacher. So I have to click this. See, the file is already added. Now if you want to add multiple PDFs, so what you have to do, you have to click on this plus sign, okay, means you want to upload the next PDF or next page. So suppose I am writing here pg2, page 2, again I have to upload in the similar way, choose file, then file, then suppose this another PDF I am uploading. So my 2 PDF is already added. Now what I have to do, I have to click on submit. See, you have got one message that you have successfully submitted your assignment. Now you can see the status is also has been changed. The status is submitted. So this is the way you can upload the assignment. Thanks for watching the video.